Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I create these really cute nails using a multi-pack of glitters that I got from Amazon. Absolutely love how these nails turned out. If you guys want to see how I created these nails, then just keep on watching. Okay, so these are the glitters that I got from Amazon. It did come with 16 colors. I will go ahead and link them below. But for this look, I just went ahead and picked out all of the blue shades to create this look. Okay, so of course I'm going to be using my clear acrylic. You guys, I love clear acrylic, so I'm going to be using clear acrylic to apply the glitter. So I'm just starting off with one of the blue colors. I'm just going to go ahead and use my Pana brush that I got from Amazon. I just got this brush a few weeks ago and I love it. I'll go ahead and link it below, and it's the number 8 Kolinsky brush. So I just dipped into the acrylic and then dipped right into the glitter. So it's pretty easy. Really, you just do whatever you want with this look. I wanted to make like, I don't know if it's like nugget looking nails. I don't know how to explain it, but it's like little clusters of like glitter. But I didn't want any of the nails to look the same. You guys will see, but that's pretty much all I did. And I wanted to leave a lot of open space on the nails. Again, these glitters are from Amazon. All 16 of them were about $9. Obsessed. Okay, like Amazon just has such good stuff. I'll go ahead and link them below again, of course. And yeah, if you guys can tell, like in my videos, I'm trying not to use as much like gel polish. I'm trying to experiment more with you know, just like acrylics and trying new things. So if you guys like that, then let me know down below. But yeah, I am also still looking into going to nail school. I'm just not sure if I should do it here in Nevada or I should wait until I possibly move. You guys let me know down below. But yeah, let me know if it's worth it and if I should do it, if it's worth the investment. And yeah. So now I'm just moving on to my next finger. My camera wasn't recording at first, which is why the finger is like almost done already. But I don't know if you guys can tell, but like the lighting keeps changing in the video and I have no idea why. I have my ring light turned down really low, but for some reason it's just like the color keeps changing. Like 1 minute it looks black in the dark brown, and then the next minute it looks gray, like you guys see now. Like I don't know what's going on. I'm working on it, you guys. And just bear with me. I don't know what's going on. Maybe it's my camera setting. I don't know. Somebody let me know down below. But yeah, I just went ahead on this one and just applied the glitter more towards the cuticle. Again, I want each nail to look different. And then I'm just, you know, adding another spot of glitter. Like, honestly, I'm just freestyling and just trying new things. And luckily, this ends up working out in the end. Okay, now this color looks really similar to the first color that I used, but I promise you guys it's different. It's just like a little bit of a deeper blue. So I'm just going ahead and applying this one more towards the tip and, you know, just again freestyling. Yeah, I probably should stop talking because I want to keep saying the same thing over and over. So yeah. now I'm going to go ahead and encapsulate the nails using my clear acrylic, you guys. I don't know why, I just could not stop using my clear acrylic. I want to try for my next video, well, my next video that's not pre-recorded, but I want to try to use something other than my clear acrylic. I do have some Glam and Glitz acrylic that I haven't used that is not clear. I'm going to try to just use those because baby's going to need to make another order if I keep using this. But yeah, I'm just going ahead and encapsulating the nails. This is after the nails have been filed, shaped, and buffed. You guys, it took me so long to file these nails, but I ended up getting through. So we're going to go ahead and apply the top coat. I'm using my IBD top coat because honestly this is the only one I have right now, but I absolutely love it. And just look at how that glitter just shines, you guys. Obsessed. So I'm just applying that to all of the nails. Yeah, for some reason it took me really long to file these nails. I think because, you know, they had so many bumps and grooves, you know, from all the different dips and stuff. So they were just really lumpy after I applied the what was it called, the clear acrylic. So it took me a while, but you guys, I'm getting better. Once I am more comfortable with my filing and shaping and my e-file and everything, I will do a dedicated video. But for now, I'm not even going to embarrass myself. I'm just going to do it off camera, and then once I feel like I'm a little better, I'll be back to show like a video of me actually filing, shaping, and all that good stuff. Just going to go ahead and cure those, and you guys know I do my thumb separate so that it doesn't run. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply some stones to my nails. I got these from Amazon, and also came with the really big stones that you see down below. You guys will get a better look at those in another video, but I'm just go ahead and applying that using my what is it called, it's from Born Pretty. Oh my god, Alima, brain fart. I don't know, I'll link it below, but I'm just using that to apply them, and I'm just putting them on just, you know, different styles. Again, I want each nail to look different, so I just did the thumb on camera, and the other nails I just applied the stones off camera. Okay guys, and these are the finished nails. You guys, I think these came out so cute. I just love it. Again, for that middle finger, I just wish I would have shaped it different so it doesn't look like I need a fill. But you know what, I'm learning, I'm growing, and I just feel like I'm getting so much better with my nails, you guys. I hope you guys noticed that too. And yeah, I just love how these came out. Yeah, these glitters are just bomb. Again, I will use them in a future video. So thank you all so much for watching. If you guys have any suggestions, leave them below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.